sort of boil down to the mitochondria. So you said, mitochondria take in oxygen and they take in the food and then they create energy. That's where the magic happens to create energy. Now, I think what also is a little confusing though is this happens everywhere, right? Like it's in your muscles, it's in your liver, it's in your heart, it's in your brain. So are mitochondria really just everywhere in our body?
Yes, they're everywhere. There's only one cell type that the body is made of a few hundred cell types. There's one cell type that does not have mitochondria, which is the one cell type that actually carries the oxygen, right? Towards because the purpose of breathing is to bring in oxygen to your lungs, and then oxygen from your lungs diffuses into your blood, and then the blood circulates and touches literally every cell in the body, right? And there's one cell type that is a reason why blood is red, because of the red blood cells, right? The red blood cells, their life purpose is to carry oxygen towards the destination, every other cell in the body, where mitochondria ultimately are the oxygen consumer. So red blood cells don't have mitochondria, probably because otherwise that would, the mitochondria there would consume the oxygen that they're actually meant to transport. But otherwise, every cell in the body, every neuron, every glial cell in the brain, every beating heart cell, every liver cell, every skin cell have hundreds to thousands of mitochondria per cell. And the beautiful thing that we're just starting to uncover now is that mitochondria are not all created the same. And different cell types in the body actually have different types of mitochondria. So we think of those as mitotypes. The same way that there are different cell types or different mitochondria types. So the brain mitochondria are actually quite different than the heart mitochondria, than the liver mitochondria. So there's this beautiful diversity of mitochondria, and that makes us think of them as more of a family of related organelles, and not just kind of a single thing that's passively transforming energy. There's a diversity of different types of mitochondria that actually talk to each other. So the mitochondria in your adrenal glands, for example, where cortisol is made, talk to mitochondria in the brain. And so the organism, you can see if you think about this, the organism as an ecosystem where you have cells and energetic system that talk to each other, mitochondria is a key part of this. And if you look at this from a mitocentric perspective, you can think of the whole ecosystem of mitochondria as an energy transformation system. Mitochondria transform energy; they don't create energy per se. They take the energy from the food and the oxygen, and then